Hey, welcome back to another vlog. Today, we're going cafe hopping again. The last time we did this, we went to Ikea. Remember that? We tasted the cinnamon swirl and the chocolate brownie cheesecake smoothie. And yeah, you guys seem to like that video a lot, so let's do that again, but this time we are going to Dou Dou Bake. This is Dou Dou Bake. I'm not sure if I'm pointing to the right direction, but it's the white corner shop over there. It has a signboard, but the logo is very small, so you guys can't see it from here, but that is Dou Dou Bake, and it's a cafe located in PJ. For those of you who haven't been to Dou Dou Bake before, like me, I would advise you to come early, like 7 AM or 8 AM early, because of the queue.
We have a maximum dining time of 75 minutes.
75 minutes?
Okay.
Okay.
You guys are good on that.
Alright, thanks.
Thank you so much.
We arrived at 8 something and we waited for 30 minutes to get a table. So that's how early you need to come here if you want to get a table within 30 minutes. Today is a Saturday, so the times may vary if you come here on any other day. So maybe if you come here on a weekday or Sunday, you may have to wait a little bit longer or lesser. And Dou Dou Bake is closed on Wednesday, so don't come here on Hump Day. The environment over here, 10 out of 10. Oh, I think our food is here. Thanks. My brother ordered the grilled cheese. This is the grilled cheese sandwich over here. It's stated on the menu that there are 3 types of cheeses in the grilled cheese. Which type? Come here to find out. This is the small Dou Dou breakfast. Yeah, this is the small one. There's a bigger one. So if you order the small Dou Dou breakfast, you get salad, you get mushrooms, you get tomatoes. I think that's the most special thing on the plate over there. That is grapefruit, charred grapefruit. Okay, let's taste. I'm going to try the grapefruit first. I don't know if you guys can see from the B-roll, but there's actually a very thin layer of something crunchy on top of the grapefruit. I think that's honey. This is a slice of charred grapefruit. Sour. It's very sour. Honestly, I don't eat a lot of grapefruit, so I'm not a fan of the sourness. But that thin layer of honey, it helps a little bit. I like the sweetness. Not really a big fan of grapefruit, but it's okay. This is probably the most unique thing on the plate. I've never seen anything like this before. This is a honeycomb. I'm not even sure how to eat it. Do I just put the whole thing in my mouth? Honey. That's the first time I've ever tried honeycomb, and I really like it. Of course, there's honey inside. The honeycomb adds another layer of texture to it. It adds a chewy texture to the honey. Definitely better than the grapefruit. I'm kind of sad that there's only one piece. Tomato. Ooh, it's a very strong charred taste. The tomato is not too sweet and it's not too sour. What comes to you the most when you take a bite is that charred grilled taste. That hits you really hard. Let's try the mushroom. Similar to the tomato, the mushroom gives off a pretty strong charred grilled taste. It's a little bit bitter, so to all of you who don't like that bitter charred taste, that's something to keep in mind. Of course, I have to order coffee. This is a cappuccino. Oh, that's good coffee, and I really like the serving cup. Definitely will come here for the coffee. A lot of people come to Dou Dou Bake for their sourdough bread. This is one thing that they are really known for, so I'm really excited to try this. Crunchy. Sorry, I'm talking in my mouth full. The outer crust is crunchy and the middle is very doughy and chewy. This is good. There's some cheese over here. I'm not so sure what cheese this is. Oh, it's a little bit sour. Never had anything like that before. Oh, the cheese goes very well with the bread. If I can remember, I think this plate costs about like 26 or 28 ringgit. Judging by the individual elements on the plate, they do taste good, okay? Don't get me wrong. And they do give you some special stuff like the charred grapefruit and the honeycomb and that cheese over there, which I don't even know the name of. Sourdough, top notch. Definitely recommend their bread. If I'm judging it by the taste overall, personally, I will give this a 9 out of 10. It's delicious. It has a harmony to it. But because of the price, there's no way I can recommend this to anyone to have this daily or weekly. Okay, this is something that you pay for to satisfy your cravings or as a little pick-me-up. I really like that bread. Now, my favorite thing about Dou Dou Bake is the atmosphere over here. It's very open, unlike many other cafes. It's very open and spacious. Everyone's not crammed together inside. It makes it very inviting and relaxing. Another thing that I like about the aesthetics over here is you can see what's happening in the kitchen. The kitchen and the dining area is separated by a piece of glass, so it's transparent. You can actually see how they make the pastries and the bread and everything that's going on in the kitchen. It's somewhat similar to Din Tai Fung, right? If you guys have been to Din Tai Fung before, you know that at the entrance you can see the chefs making the xiu long baos, right? And I don't know, somehow I just really like watching our food being made. So apparently, when I ordered the small Dou Dou breakfast, it came with 4 pieces of sourdough bread. And okay, personally, and I'm just being honest over here, I can't really finish 4 pieces of sourdough, so we had to take some back. Final thoughts, Dou Dou Bake. The food over there, from a normal customer standpoint, it's really up there. I need to use a really big word. Exquisite, especially their bread, which is what they're known for, their sourdough bread. We didn't try their croissants. Did I pronounce that correctly? Croissant. We didn't try their croissants, but from what I've heard, they are. The coffee is also good. I don't have much to say about the coffee because I am not a coffee expert. I'm just a regular guy who likes his coffee. So as long as I don't have anything to complain about it, to me, it's good coffee. It's cafe level coffee with hotel level prices. The fact that Dou Dou Bake is pricing their food and drinks at a pretty high price makes me believe that they are not really marketing the cafe as a cafe where you get your daily or weekly coffee. You're gonna go broke that way. It's really a place where we should go to during special occasions with our friends or family members, or you know, you've worked really hard and you think you deserve some good coffee and some luxurious sourdough. Yeah, you go over there and give yourself a good reward. The food and drinks are good, no question, but what I'm trying to say is you're really paying for the experience that you're getting. That's just how I feel, you know. I think that Dou Dou Bake makes Starbucks look cheap. So yeah, that was cafe hopping at Dou Dou Bake as well as my final thoughts on the place. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Right now, we want to hear from you, alright? Have you been to Dou Dou Bake before? What was your favorite item on the menu? How was your experience over there? Let us know down in the comments. If you enjoy watching me go cafe hopping as much as I love making these for you guys, let me know where I should go cafe hopping next. Few gentle reminders, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, more content coming soon, and make sure you click that bell icon to stay notified whenever I have a new video. Also, make sure to check out this month's Spotify playlist. The link is in the description. That's about it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in my next video, okay? Take care.